Alright guys, this is our second install of the day. And I thought it was going to be easy breezy beautiful like CoverGirl until I saw the entrance, and I'm going to show you it. It's the second one this week that has been freaking crazy, and I told Melissa this is the last one. You know, a lot of times she assumes that the customer is going to let us pull on grass or pull up to here or do this and that, and then when we get out here, that's not the case. So from now on, her and I are going to come up with a percentage that we are going to charge when we've got excessive steps, excessive walks, up and down wet terrain, and we're going to charge for that. Many times in these situations, there's an option to pull the vehicle to a spot that's easier to get the stone in, and a lot of times they don't want us to do that. Mark my words, once there's a fee tied to it, they will be more than happy for us to pull to that. So this is the last one, I promise you. Be careful, it's slick where it's rained a little bit. Alright, there you see it. Awesome, right? I want to show this before we bring any tops around this way. That is not us, guys. Alrighty guys, we got this one in place too. Like I showed you with the laser and such. We've got it shimmed up all around here. We'll have to bring the level in here and find out what's perfectly level. I'm thinking splitting the difference on the left and right, because the problem is this center area here. Alrighty guys, we got this one in now. This one here's got a slight gap back there in the corner. The customer does not like it, so we're going to take it out there and trim it and bring it right back in. Alrighty guys, all the tops are in place. Only backsplash on this top, and as you can see, it's bookmarked perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and mix up some epoxy, tape this off and run it down there. I mean, I cut it and polished it, and most of the gaps are gone, but there's always a little bow in the wall or a stone or whatever, so I'm just going to fill it with epoxy and just way it's not an issue. I just put this on the short video, but if you have drawers like this and you go to cut your shims off, there's a good chance you hit that door with the bottom of this multi-tool and scuff up the door. So what I was saying in the short is either pull the drawer out like I've done here, or if you don't feel like pulling the drawer out, use your razor knife. It'll save you and the customer a lot of grief if you do that. Alright guys, a lot of times you're going to run into a situation where it's tight and you can't get to it for the refrigerator. Refrigerators typically have wheels on them, and they will typically roll frontward and backward, but they don't tend to move to the side very well. Do not move a refrigerator if it isn't rolling smoothly, because it's heavy and it'll scratch the floor. We needed to move it to get to the splash on this side. Alright guys, we've got the, y'all can keep talking, we can edit anything out. Got the job finished guys, and we're just doing the video now. Customers talking to David, and everything turned out well. You know, we had a little issue with the cabinets being out of level in the center, but we shimmed everything up and got it taken care of. Had a little issue with the stone fitting over here, but I took it outside, cut it and polished it down, got it equal all the way across. Looks real good now. Caulked out everything, that way if the customer wants to touch up paint, he can paint right down to the stone. It'll look like the wall runs into the stone. everything just turned out well. Underneath we used either a transparent white or a transparent gray silicone to match the stone or the tops. With the backsplash we used a transparent gray because it matched the stone best. And of course we used the aluminum cleaner, or the stainless cleaner, I'm sorry, on the sink and such. David's sweeping up the floor right now. I've got the aftercare sheet and stuff and all that. So we are finished, guys. Tell you about that in a minute. But I appreciate y'all watching. I hope everybody has a blessed day.